Hey guys, today I want to announce the Stylized Diorama Course with hand-painted textures that I have made for you. So bring your pens and let's have some fun. 10 hours of unique video content with 6-week course duration and program for every week. But this time we'll skip the concepting part and we'll go with making a mood board, working with references and walkouts. And if you want a real challenge, you can create your own design with your unique scene. And I will be here to help and assist you with everything, but not killing your dream design and creativity. We will talk about how to design and model rocks, trees and foliage, modeling our amazing scene and hero groups. And of course a lot of texturing, painting our model step by step from base colors, blending, line art, highlights to final polishing with making custom ambient occlusion, global illumination and gradients. Preparing our work for rendering, talking about how light works with hand-painted environments, diffuse or unlit, and finally the presentation for your portfolio. Registration opens at second week of April 2024, or just hit me up on Discord for booking a seat before the registration goes live. More info about dates, prices and course detailed program can be found on our website zagzagstudio.com. See you on the course. Peace.